Hi everyone, welcome to our third STEAM Sunday video. Today we have got stop motion animation. This is a really fun thing to do, and you can actually get so many different free apps that will help you do stop motion animation that it's so simple for everyone to get started with. I'm going to be using the app Stickbot Studio 2, which is a free app that can be got on any device at all, be it tablet or phone. And all you have to do to use it is put it into movie mode. And then you take a whole load of photos of whatever it is you're doing, and they just slot together. And the best thing is you've actually got a green screen option as well if you want to use that to put in some cool backgrounds. So here's a very quick run through of what I did. There's lots of tutorials online for how to do stop motion animation. Really, the things that you need to remember are keep your camera steady. If you've got a tripod or something that you can lean your device against, use it. It's really important that your device stays still. And also with your little figures, only move them tiny wee bits at a time. For a stop motion video, you're actually recording in frames, so frames per second. You'll see it a lot on videos, FPS. And what that means, if you say shoot in 20 frames per second, you've got 20 little photos every second. So you imagine, if you do a 20-second long video, you would be doing 20 times 60, what's that, 1,200 photos in 20 seconds. So you need to do a lot of work just for a small amount of video. For that reason, I'm only doing a short video today, but I would love to see your videos. So please, if you do make your own stop motion animation, please tag @MrFiceclass or use hashtag STEAMSunday for a chance to be featured in the next video. See you next week.